The centre has accorded a Z+ security cover of CRPF commandos to the NDA's presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu, officials said on Wednesday. As per the senior officer, the armed squad took over the security of Murmu early Wednesday morning. BJP President JP Nadda announced the candidature of Murmu, a party leader from Odisha who served as Jharkhand governor, at a press conference on June 20th following a meeting of the party's parliamentary board, which included Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior leaders. In a huge and yet another surge in the number of COVID-19 cases, India reported 12,249 fresh COVID-19 infections within a span of 24 hours. According to the Union Health Ministry, the active case load in the country increased to 81,687. Delhi recorded 1,383 fresh COVID-19 cases with a positivity rate of 7.22%, and one more fatality was reported due to the viral disease in the 24-hour period. 40 Maharashtra MLAs, including 33 Shiv Sena and 7 independent MLAs, exhorted their support to rebel Shiv Sena leader and cabinet minister Eknath Shinde by signing a letter, said sources. Sources further said the liberal legislators may write to Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari seeking for floor test in the state legislative assembly. The 40 MLAs led by Shinde arrived at a luxury hotel in Guwahati in BJP-ruled Assam on Wednesday. The revolt in the Shiv Sena has given rise to speculations that Shinde, along with the other MLAs, might join the BJP in a bid to topple the Maha Vikas Aghadi government. Riniki Sarma, the wife of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, has filed a ₹100 crore defamation case against Aam Aadmi Party leader and Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi Manish Sisodia. The case has been filed against Sisodia for levelling corruption allegations in the purchase of personal protective equipment kits in Assam during the COVID pandemic period. The Bombay High Court on Tuesday granted bail to Sanjeev Khanna, who is facing trial in the Sheena Bora murder case. Khanna has been lodged in Arthur Road Jail since 2015. Justice Bharti H. Dangre granted bail to Khanna, former husband of co-accused Indrani Mukherjee, Bora's mother, on furnishing a personal bond of ₹1 lakh and surety. The court also asked Khanna to surrender his passport, not to leave India without its permission, not to contact any witness or tamper with evidence.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.